This video is for first-timers or engineers who have hard time pocket tone injection molding. Pocket tone is a high-performance engineering plastic used in various industrial areas that require harmlessness and good durability. But unlike other plastics, you may have difficulties when working due to its unique properties. We have prepared for videos that provide you with basic concepts and how to handle the main problems. This section is about troubles that you may face when pocket tone injection molding and corrective actions to solve the issues. We will explain how to avoid freezing of nozzles, how to reduce black specks, and how to deal with unstable metering. Due to the rapid solidification of pocket tone resins, material in the nozzle can freeze off if the nozzle internal diameter is too small, or a nozzle heater band is not long enough to cover overall nozzle to the tip. To handle this issue, thermocouple sensor near the nozzle tip may be more effective in preventing freeze-off problems. Nozzle diameter should not be too small in order to prevent premature freezing. Generally, the nozzle diameter should be larger than 3.5 millimeters. Unbalanced filling or deep core pin can cause overpacking and subsequent part sticking. With its low modulus, it could be harder to release pocket tone part than the other hard polymer part. Low mold temperature results in the mold opening before complete cooling. This causes the sticking. If it is hard to release the molded parts from the cavity, you can appropriately lower mold temperature and increase cooling time. In addition, to high temperature of the fixed mold will also cause sticking sprues. For deep core parts, ensure the mold surface is well polished and the cooling line has no defect. When you see black or brown specks on pocket tone molded part, most often, they are signs that the material has been degraded to a charred state, which usually means the pocket tone polymer has been at temperature for too long. Clean the barrel by low melt flow resin immediately. High-density polyethylene or polypropylene is suitable for purging. Set the barrel temperature between 240 and 255 degrees Celsius, given the shear heating during processing. One unusual aspect of the rheological behavior of pocket tone is its tendency to exhibit a gradual increase in melt viscosity with increasing residence time in the melt. As aldol condensation proceeds slowly at melt temperatures, leading to molecular weight advancement, long chain branching, and eventually to cross-linking. The machine should be purged thoroughly and immediately after pocket tone injection molding, which cuts the time required for subsequent startup and reduces risk of contamination. There is a risk of cross-linking caused by excessive barrel temperature, as well as long residence time. Cross-linking is visible through black specks. In this case, purge immediately with polyolefins. Due to the excessive temperatures, pocket tone pellets traveling down feed throat could melt and clump up. This can partially block the flow of resin into the screw and barrel, and essentially run the machine out of material while also blocking much of the flow of gas out of the machine. To prevent this issue, sufficient feed throat cooling must be provided to prevent bridging. Otherwise, a low temperature set point should be used at the feed throat. Colder is not always better. Too low feed throat set point can result in additional cycling of the rear barrel zones, as well as the possibility of condensation introducing water into the material as it feeds into the screw. Thank you for listening. Check other videos for more information about pocket tone injection molding. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.